Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about XMG FUSION 15 and Core 15 gaming laptop. So friend, XMG unveils its first 15.3-inch laptops in 16 gem 10 format and the two compact devices which are very similar except for a few details differ primarily regarding their CPUs. The Fusion 15 is powered by Intel Core i9-4900HX or i7-14650HS and either an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 or 4070, while the Core 15 combines an AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS with an RTX 4060. And apart from that, the gaming laptop, which weighs around 2 kg and a 21.9 mm high, offer a WQXGA display with a brightness of 500 nits and an almost entirely aluminum chassis with a clean R21.9 mm high offer a WXG display with the brightness of 500 nits and an almost entirely aluminum chassis with a clean and elegant design. The design language of XMG Fusion 15 and XMG Core 15 focus on understated elegance, and the laptop shares an identical black anodized and torsion-resistant aluminum chassis at 342.5 by 245 by 21 gem 9 mm. These two 15.3-inch devices are very compact, while a reduced weight of just 2 kg or 2.1 kg offers a good portability. And friend, both the Fusion 15 and Core 15 boast 4 air outlets with copper heat sinks placed in front of them, and fresh air is drawn in via the bottom as well as via the keyboard, and phase changing Honeywell PTM7958 thermal pads are used on both the processor and the graphics card. This allows the graphics performance of the available GPUs to be fully exploited in keeping the NVIDIA's performance management. And friend, the XMG Fusion 15 and Core 15 are based on the new very compact 15.3-inch format with a 16 gem 10 aspect ratio display that can be opened up to 180 degrees signal handling. The 240 Hz panel features a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, 500 nits of brightness, 100% sRGB color space coverage. And friend, on the connectivity side, the XMG Fusion 15 provides Thunderbolt 4 by USB 4 with the support for charging via an additional USB Type-C charger with up to 100 watts and DisplayPort function, HDMI 2.1, Gigabit Ethernet, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1, USB Type-A 3.23 ports, and SD card reader for full-size memory cards, and 2-in-1 audio jack for headsets. And friend, both laptops include a 99.8-hour battery, while the entry-level configuration of the XMG Core 15 is also available with an 80-hour model. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.